seems. Over that, there is another one that is now coming in. As far as we are talking about the sexist remarks that seems to be adding to the outrage, here is a politician who seems to be making a comment on what the L&T chief has to say, because he said that how long, will you see your wife? Here the Samajwadi Party leader seems to be adding to this shocker, saying that his secretary may have been more beautiful. Misogynistic statements back to back that are now coming in, and this time is from a Samajwadi Party neta. Advaita, I'll just come to you. Let's listen into this reaction.
उनकी सेक्रेटरी बहुत खूबसूरत होंगी और बीवी शायद कम खूबसूरत होगी, इसीलिए इस तरह के बयान देते हैं। दोबारा नहीं बोलेंगे, इसीलिए मैंने इतने तीखे शब्दों का वार किया है। उनकी सेक्रेटरी बहुत खूबसूरत होंगी और बीवी शायद कम खूबसूरत होगी, इसीलिए इस तरह के बयान देते हैं। दोबारा नहीं बोलेंगे, इसीलिए मैंने इतने तीखे शब्दों का वार किया है।
Advaita, if you heard that, what do you have to say? I mean, we are looking at one comment after the other, whether be it wife or beautiful secretary. Where is it going?
And assuming the beautiful secretary is a female, it could very well be a man. But, when you said politician said it, immediately I was like, must be Samajwadi Party. So some comments here, you just kind of come to expect now, if you've been observing political discourse for as long as I have, that, some sort of comments are usually attributed to a certain way of thinking and ideology of a political party. So that's one aspect. Secondly, coming to, there is an element of flippancy in both these comments, so I don't want to outrage too much about the sexist nature of it. But, it does reflect a deeply patriarchal mindset. Even the LT chairman was speaking to his male employees. He wasn't speaking to female employees. I'm sure they...
Oh, he did mention husbands too. How long can you stare at your husbands? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, then that makes him an equal party offender. But frankly, work-life balance is something that we've all learnt about to our dismay because of the mental health crisis that we find ourselves in the midst of. So I think corporate leaders speaking like this in this flippant way about something that's so important needs to be discouraged.
All right. Advaita, thank you very much for joining in. Well, shocker after shocker that we are now reporting as far as the statement that came in from the L&T chairman. We are looking at the Samajwadi Party neta who seems to have an opinion of his own. Let's listen in.
उनकी सेक्रेटरी बहुत खूबसूरत होंगी और बीवी शायद कम खूबसूरत होगी, इसीलिए इस तरह के बयान देते हैं। दोबारा नहीं बोलेंगे, इसीलिए मैंने इतने तीखे शब्दों का वार किया है।
All right, shocking statement again. This is another misogynistic one that is now coming in from a leader, this time a politician. Harish, thank you very much. Appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast. Of course, viewer statements that have also been coming in back to that. We will be playing out all of them, heading into a short break for now.